It's Deb's Villacachina time. We're gonna do easy roasted cauliflower. This is so easy. This will be a really short video. I just broke a head of cauliflower up, and then we're going to do a tablespoon of olive oil on the pan so that it's not gonna stick, and just brush it around so you've got that. I also have poured here 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Drizzle it all over your cauliflower, and then a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of a very mild curry. You're gonna sprinkle that over your cauliflower, mix it all up, and it's going into a 400-degree oven. It'll be there for 15 or 20 minutes. You'll go and move it around, and then another 20 minutes, check on it. It should be done. So that's it. That's how easy.